Welcome to Usman Chayin Physics Maths class. In our tutorial today, I shall provide a solution to the problem before us. We are asked to calculate the inductive reactance and the resistance R in this very particular circuit. Now, for us to calculate the inductive reactance, we have to recall the formula, and the formula is X equal to XL equal to 2 pi FL, and F is the frequency, L is the inductor, XL is the word inductive reactance. So we quickly fall back to the diagram to obtain our word frequency. The frequency is 50 all over pi in hertz, okay, and the inductor is 0.1. So we quickly substitute it into our word the formula. So we have 2 pi multiplied by 50 all over pi multiplied by 0.1. okay, so this is equal to pi will cancel out pi. 2 times 50 is 100. 100 times 0.1, it will be 10. So we have 10 ohms. It means that our inductive inductance is equal to what? 10 ohms. And this is our first answer. The second phase of it, we are asked to calculate the R. And for us to calculate the R, we have to fall back to this relationship. Impedance Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL. And we know our XL. Our XL here is already 10. We have calculated it already. And the R, that is what they want us to calculate. But then we still have one question that is unanswered. What is our Z? Our Z we don't know, but we can still use another relationship. We know that Z is equal to V over I. That is from this very relationship. You know, V is equal to IZ. From this, if you make Z the subject of the formula, you will not have what? V over I. And from our diagram, we have the V. The V is 75 and the I is 1.5 in ampere. That is the current, okay? So we will substitute it here straight. We will not have a V over I is equal to square root of R square plus XL square. This, it has square there, okay? So our V is 75 all over I is 1.5 equal to square root of R square minus 10 plus 10 square, okay? So 75 divided 1.5, we are going to obtain what? 50. So we have 50 equal to square root of R square plus 10 square is equal to 100. So we are going to remove the square root. And if you want to remove the square root here, you have to square the both sides, all right? So squaring both sides, we're going to have 50 square equal to, if you square this side, the square root will go. So you'll be left with R square plus 100, all right? So R square plus 100. Now 50 square, we are going to have 2500 equal to R square plus 100. Now collection of like terms will come into play. We'll have 2500 minus 100 equal to R square. Now 2500 minus 100 we're going to give us 2400 equal to R square. Now finally we'll find the square root. Then we'll have R is equal to square root of 2400, and this is equal to 48.9 ohms. And it means that the inductive reactance, which is XL, is equal to 10, and the resistance in this very circuit, which is R, is equal to 48.9. And that is the final answer.